haven't done this in so long. It just doesn't feel right. It feels actually pretty weird. Maybe because it's nice out, but today's actually a very important day. My lens is so dirty. This is unreal. But back, motherfuckers. But I'm back. It has been such a long time since I've actually recorded something, so I'm extremely nervous. I am extremely excited though for today, because today I do have something in store for you guys. Yeah, I'm back. Did you miss me? Be honest. Be honest with yourself. You kind of did miss me. I haven't uploaded in forever, so I mean, I totally get why. But the plus side of things, but I'm super excited for this because this has been like months overdue, and it is now March. I've been gone for forever. It's like it's time to start uploading again. I was waiting, luckily, but because it's been such a long time, I think that we should start uploading again. Today, we're gonna go on a little trip right now. I gotta go to Harbor Freight. I have to get some things. I might have to run to like Home Depot or something too right after that. I do have other things I have to do today, but I'll knock all that out in one day. But I really am excited for you guys to see exactly what is going on. So stay tuned for what's to come today. Alright, so basically, like, I had to do all this running around this morning, and that was a drag, but luckily I'm here. I'm here, and so basically now what I have to do is I have a series of like things that I have to do. I want to get the Z on jack stands. And I also have to create space because the engine for the 350Z is going to go inside here. So we secured an engine. And so pretty much right now, the guy that's dropping it off says he was on his way. It takes about 30 minutes to get here from where he is. So I need to create space for that engine to go in the garage, because right now the garage is literally just stacked. So like nothing but parts over here, even parts and all those other stuff stacked up over there. So basically we just have to go and get all this stuff together, and then, like I said, create some space so that way the engine can come in here. And I'm so fucking excited. It's just stay tuned. Yeah, that should be alright. Let me.
Yeah, I got the mine.
I gotta grab a crate so I can put it down in there.
Yeah, don't worry, but I got the jack in here, so he move in the jack and he put it in your garage.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. That's what you looking at in your garage.
Yeah, no, I just want to put a crate down so it doesn't go on the ground.
Okay, ella lo que quiere ponerle como si fuera algo en el piso para que no esté en el piso tirado.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, jack for the fucking motor, yo.
What?
That's as big as fuck.
No, I know. I had to. I've been trying to get the right bolts this whole time, so that way I can just put it on the stand. But I don't even know. Nobody fucking has them.
So when you put it in here, you got the other motor.
The one that came with? No, I got that as a shell.
So you put in that piece. I don't know if it's good. So, but you put in new one.
Yeah, I'm gonna refresh it anyway.
All right. Yeah, because that one is not. Él me quería dar completo el carro, pero no valía nada porque estaba chocado todo completo de atrás. Yo le dije no. Y llamé al pana mío que es mecánico. Eso sale rápido. Lo cogimos así, me tocó una grúa. Vámonos por el carajo.
Yeah.
Sí. Pero está nítido, no tiene liqueo por ningún lado ni nada. Está limpio. Así mismo como tú lo ves, así mismo lo saqué yo. Es rápido. Mi hijo tiene uno también de eso también.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, the engine just got here, and I am super excited. Hopefully I didn't show you guys exactly what it is. Hopefully it's still a surprise to those who didn't.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
Nissan
Yes, sir.
350Z. It is a VQ35HR. Obviously, if we're gonna do some slides, I figured we'd do it with an OEM plus kind of thing. The car is a 2003. However, it did have a HR in it before. This is just no different. It's gonna be an easy, simple swap, and I figured the less cost effective it is, or it's cheaper to basically do this. So with this engine itself, which I'm super excited for, but this engine itself is actually 55,000 miles on it. It was a super steal that I simply just could not pass up. I mean, at first the guy he posted it for 1,300. Now, if you know anything about the platform itself, you'll know that the VQ35HR, not the DE, but the HR itself, these things are hefty pennies. I mean, like, you can get one easily from a junkyard with over 100K miles for literally like $1,500–1,600. You could even get one imported for around two grand and plus. So like, these engines are actually pretty pricey, but the fact that I was able to get one, I saw it running and driving already, I can't complain. And I did throw in a little extra to get them to bring it here, but the guy brought it here, which was awesome. He hooked me up, so shout out to Ramon. He definitely will have more parts for me too in the future, so I might get him in a vlog, but I'm still working it all out. I'm new to this, but we got the engine. Here it is. It is, I'm super excited because this thing needs a heart, and the more I literally sit here and look at it empty like this, I don't like it. But super excited for that. Because it is so nice out, I figured I would put the car on jack stands, clean up underneath it, and actually start trying to rebuild this car again. I mean, I got to do a lot of wiring stuff. As you can see, there's all the wiring and all this other stuff here that I really need to work out. So I only got a couple months to do it. I've got a whole bunch of new parts and stuff literally just stashed either in the house, in the basement, or wherever. Just trying to source all these parts out so that way we can start building this car. But literally, I'm so excited. I can't even begin to announce it or talk about it. So obviously, one of the first things that I want to do with this engine is simply a simple rebuild. I want to get the whole thing, I mean, it is nice. It does run and drive. I've seen it run. However, the car did get rear-ended that it came from, so it was like perfect, no front end damage. I do need to actually go over a few things on the engine. Like, I do need to clean it up, add new parts to it. I want to put new pulleys and stuff up here. Obviously got to clean out the oil and things like that. So one of the first things I have to do, because these parts didn't come in yet, is I have to order some new pulleys. And I'm still waiting on my transmission stuff so I can bolt it up to the engine stand that I just got. And the engine stand is actually right over there. But like I said, I'm just waiting for this to come in so that way we can do this and we can start knocking this project out. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. Sourcing the rest of the parts is going to be easy. The biggest thing I was really concerned about all winter was the engine. And the fact that I have one now, it's game over. So I'm more and more excited about this car already. A lot of the things that have happened off camera for me, as far as like this car goes, is that I've just been doing nothing but stashing parts. So my trans is right there, my BC coilovers is right there, my Brembo brake kit is already right there. So like, that stuff's done. I have the new steering rack and pinion in the house. I have the drive shaft in the house. Like, I have everything. And that's pretty much all I've been doing all winter. And Northeast winters, you Northeast car guys can sit here and attest to this day in and day out, that when it comes to the car scene up here, like, winter is hibernation season where you just store and stack up parts. And that's essentially all I've done, for the last couple of months. But now that some warm weather is starting to come out, hopefully it stays around for a little bit and we can actually start sitting outside and grinding these cars out, because as you saw also in the back, which I'll save for another video, but back there I also have the Eclipse body kit, and I really want to start doing that. I really think all these projects and all this stuff that I have in my head need to start coming together, but more so is waiting on the warm weather to do so. But now that it's here, we can start getting to grinding.
What's poppin'?